In this video, we'll cover 3 tips about how to sort out your spit roast catering in New Zealand in 2020. If you're considering getting a spit roast for your upcoming event, we've got you covered. This video will take you through step by step what to plan for and lower the stress of organizing your event. Hi, it's William here from the Food Truck League. We help event organizers connect with mobile food vendors across New Zealand. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All the links to everything we mentioned you can find in the video description box below. So, you're thinking of catering for your event, wedding, or Christmas party with a spit roast company. In this video, we're going to cover the differences in coal and gas spit roast offerings for your event, what happens when people want to supply their own meat for the spit roast, why choose a spit roast over other catering options, what are the differences between coal and gas spit roasts for your event? There are big differences on how meat is cooked with gas and charcoal. Let's start with gas. It's very convenient to use gas because it can be a quick setup and you can easily control the temperature for your meat. A gas spit can be lit in a few minutes while a charcoal setup can take up to 30 minutes to get the desired heat. Although it is very convenient to have a gas setup and the final flavor of the meat is very good, it doesn't have the smoky flavor of a charcoal setup. A charcoal spit gives your meal a smoke and fire flavor that is quite unique and delicious. There are different types of charcoal that can be used to bring out the flavor, and this depends on the truck and its cooking systems. A final consideration is that having a charcoal spit is somewhat more of a social occasion and creates an entertaining atmosphere for all the guests. There's something about an open fire that really draws people in. What happens when people want to supply their own meat for a spit roast? We get requests sometimes about people supplying their own animals for the event. Most truck operators have suppliers they trust for spit roasting and barbecue. They know exactly what they're getting and get consistent results for their guests. That being said, it is worthwhile asking if this is a possibility. It may be as simple as arranging for a butcher to process it and have it to the vendor's specifications so it's ready for your event. Why choose a spit roast over other catering options? We're often asked about supplying hearty meals. This usually means that the client wants to eat a lot of meat. To have a spit roast, there's usually a minimum of 16 people needed to make the event worthwhile for a truck. The price range, depending on the truck and the meat type, starts at $39 to $45 per head, but can be more depending on travel time to the venue. Yes, you can adjust the plate amounts to suit your budget, it's just that the price does affect how big the meal is. Across New Zealand, from Auckland, Hamilton, Wellington, or Christchurch, there are a lot of trucks that offer spit roast or coal barbecue options for your event. The menus can be anything from barbecued roast pork, roasted chicken, roast lamb, and beef for platters, salads and dessert options too. Food trucks bring a special atmosphere and a vibe to your event compared to the traditional catering options. It's outside, the meal is prepared in front of you. It gives everyone a chance to eat great food and enjoy themselves after a year which has been pretty tough. Check out our website, foodtruckleague.nz, and get in touch if you want to find out more, and check out the links in the description below.